How there is great diversity among these birds, there are similarities as well. All parrots have curved beaks and all, meaning they have four toes or each foot, two pointing forward and two projecting backward. Most parrots eat fruit, flower, birds, nuts, seeds, and more small creatures such as insects. Parrots are found in warm climate all over most of the world. The greatest diversity exists in Australia, Central America, and South America. Many parrots are kept as a pet, especially Mexico's Amazon parrot cocktail and cockatoos. These birds have been popular company throughout history because they are intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically. Some birds can imitate many sounds, including human speech. Some birds can imitate many sounds, including human speech. The male African grey parrot is the most accomplished user of human speech in the animal world. This rainforest villa is an unmighty. Currently, the convention and international trade in specific CITES ban the sale of any wild cat specific, yet the pirate popularity continues to drive legal trade. Some parrot specific are high, in other cases, once tame birds have reproduced in the wild and established thriving feral population following the monk. For example, now live in several US states. Parrots are about 372 specific of birds in 86 different genera that make up the order of parrot from the genus Parrot and live mostly in tropical and subtropical land. The order of parrot consists of three superfamily, which include parrot, tube parrot, cocktail, white parrot, and cockatoos. New Zealand parrot, the most diverse parrot, are in South